Treasure NFT. Is it real or fake? Let's get started. Treasure NFT is a suspicious Web3 platform promising high yield AI powered NFT trading, staking gains, and referral commissions. It heavily promotes guaranteed returns, which is daily and monthly, and run on its own token rather than the S-Magic token used by the real Treasure DAO. So it has some red flags and why it smells like a Ponzi. So it has too good to be true returns, it has a lot of referral-based growth. They also have withdrawal and freezing issues. They have a lot of fake reviews and manipulated ratings. And as you can see here, they have bad ratings as well. They also have no transparency, so there's no verifiable team, no white paper, no regulatory licensings, and the anonymous developers and offshore structure. They also have a rug pull behavior, so website taken offline in April 2025 and rebranded to NFT Gold. So what legit Treasure NFT looks like is it has a lot of gaming and NFT ecosystem on Arbitrum using the magic token, but it has a lot of fake website as well. So according to real users, it's not everyone is getting paid, only those who recruit. So in conclusion, Treasure NFT is almost certainly a scam. It ticks all the boxes, Ponzi style, so avoid it if you expect consistency, verifiable returns, and if you're looking for a safe NFT project.